Dun, da, 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 the Monos Metro Duffel. My Monos collection is complete now. Look at how cute. Ugh. Hey guys, I'm Lauren from It's the Kellys, and I travel often and pack well and want to help you do the same. So what does that mean? I do lots of luggage reviews and packing videos to help you pack in just a carry-on. It's a thing, I promise. You can do it. Just watch the videos. I have such a great relationship with Monos. I love their brand so much. I'm a Monos brand ambassador, which means they send me products to review and I review them for you and give you a discount code. So before we even get into the video, the discount code as of right now is It's the Kellys 5, but sometimes it changes, so be sure to check the description box down below for a link to the product as well as a discount code if you want to buy this bag or any other bag from Monos. Monos has a quality to their bags that can really last a lifetime. Everything is durable, everything is just meant to last. You know, some of the items here I could probably pass down to another generation. That's how good their stuff is. I personally like to get things for travel that's going to last a long time because I've been on a trip before where my stuff is broken in the middle of the trip and that's not fun. So this is the Monos Metro Duffel and this is what I'm going to review today for you. Okay, so if you guys haven't seen anything else from my Monos playlist, then definitely be sure to watch that because I have reviewed just about every single Monos item that they have besides the checked luggage. I don't review checked luggage because I like to actually use the items that I review and I don't check bags. This is from the Metro collection, which are all of their accessories. And I've reviewed the backpack, I've reviewed the weekender, and this is now the duffel. And like the other bags, this comes in 4 different colors of the nylon twill. This is the color Oxford blue, but they also have juniper green, Dover gray, and carbon black. Now, all of the ones that are nylon do have vegan leather accents like the handles or the bag that comes with it or everything on the side, but you can also get the vegan leather bags that come in mahogany, saddle tan, or ivory. And then as of right now for this bag, there are a couple of limited edition colors. The light purple and the yellow, those aren't going to be around forever. So if you are interested in those colors, definitely snag them now. Now, both are scratch resistant and waterproof, which is awesome for luggage and accessories because you get to your destination and you gotta walk with this baby and it's raining outside. That's okay, your stuff's gonna stay dry. The premium nylon twill is always gonna be just a little bit cheaper than the vegan leather. This bag right now is $210, and then the vegan leather ones are $230. And before you go crazy about the price, like I said, this is something that's going to last forever. This is an absolute quality bag. So instead of getting a duffel, a duffel, a duffel, a duffel, and constantly replacing it, you can just get this one and have it for the rest of your life. Okay, so let's go over the specifications of it, including measuring it ourselves, because you guys know we love to do that here on this channel. Now, right now this is totally empty, but it is still pretty structured, which I really love for a duffel bag, because a lot of other duffel bags just kind of collapse when they're not full. So I do love the structure of it. The width of it is just over 16. The height of it is just over 11, and the depth of it is about 8. Now, you're going to notice when I show you from the side, it does have this little Metro Classic kit, which can snap off, and I'll show you later, but this is always going to give you like an extra 2 inches. So if the bag is a little bit too big for a personal item, just go ahead and take this off and put it inside, and then you have it to be this size. I'm gonna put this back on for now because I will show you that cool part later. That's just a little sneak peek. So with that being said, of these measurements, this will fit as a personal item on most airlines. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and say most airlines again, because not all personal items are created equally on airlines. But this will fit if you live in the US and are traveling domestically, like Spirit or Frontier or Southwest or, you know, anything like that. This will fit. I can't guarantee it always for international airlines, but what I do want to tell you to do is Google the airline that you are going to be flying with, look at their dimensions, and then put them up against this bag and see if it fits. It's really that simple. But even if you're not flying with it, this could be really great for a road trip or even just a little overnight, even a weekend too. They do have the weekender bag, which is a lot bigger than this, but this is probably what I would use for a weekend because I pack light. Now, of course, we have to talk about the weight as well. This bag by itself, which is the nylon version, is 3 pounds, and the vegan leather one is 3.6 pounds. And this bag does hold 22 liters worth of stuff. And we're gonna pack it at the end of the video and show you everything I can fit in here. All right, so let's go over all the details of this beautiful bag. At first glance, you are obviously going to notice this Metro Classic kit right here. And like I showed you a little bit earlier, it does snap off. And with this duffel and the backpack, it does have this quick snap where you just release it on the bottom here, pull it, and it opens up and it can just come right off. See how it has that snap? And so this is the Metro Classic kit. It comes with the bag, it's vegan leather. You open it up inside and it does have some really nice organization, and this is going to be great whether you attach it to the outside of your bag or whether you slip it in the bag. Additionally, you can also get the Metro Folio kit, which is sold separately for $60, and that has the quick snap modular system as well, so that you can attach that to the outside of your bag instead if you want to. Not only is this great to hold all of your stuff, but there's other pockets too. Right here, this is where it goes. So this is just going to be there if you don't have it on there. But this right here is a pocket with a snap too, to be able to hold things, and that's going to be behind the quick snap. So it is technically a little bit more hidden. So that could be a really great spot for a phone or a passport or a wallet or anything that you want to stay just a little bit more concealed. But you guys, the coolest part about this pocket right here is that there is a hidden zipper in the bottom that you can unzip it, and then this becomes your trolley sleeve to be able to place this duffel onto your favorite Monos luggage and then be a little bit more hands-free at the airport. But do make sure if you're going to put anything in the pocket that you zip it back up, because I've definitely lost items before. Now let's go ahead and go to the back or the front, or really either one can be the back or the front, but you do have a zippered pocket here with the Monos logo, but it is a little bit more spacious than the pocket that I just showed you on the other side, so it can definitely fit a lot more in it. Now, of course, you do have these handles here that does have a little bit of a snap, and these are vegan leather here. Let's measure this drop because this is kind of important. From the inside of the handle down is about 6.5 inches. My arms are a little bit on the bigger side, so it's kind of fits like that. If you're a little bit smaller than me, you could probably put it over your shoulder. But of course, inside this bag is a shoulder strap to either go over your shoulder or to make it crossbody as well. But you don't always have to use it, especially if you're going to attach this to your luggage. There are 2 zippers here that have the vegan leather accents. We can go ahead and open that up and check out the inside. But on the outside here, you're going to go ahead and see that there are some snaps here. And this just gives you a little bit more space to fit things in. But let's check out the inside. It's always so hard to show you guys the inside of a bag. I feel like I need to get down in here with the camera and a flashlight to be able to show you all the details. The first thing that I'm going to notice is, of course, the strap. Like I said, this is a nice little padded vegan leather strap that's going to go over your shoulder. Like I said, it is adjustable, and it does have the clips to go right on the D-rings and become a bag like this. Let's just go ahead and stand up. This is it, not even adjusted whatsoever. I'm 5'10", it is sitting right on my hip. It can go even lower too. As for the inside here, it does have a laptop pocket that can hold a 15-inch laptop, you guys, and it does have a nice little Velcro to be able to keep it in place. My laptop is a 13-inch MacBook Air and it fits in perfectly, and then I can go ahead and Velcro it into place. It's such a spacious pocket that I could also fit my iPad in there with it as well. Fits both, that's great. As for the rest of the inside, over here is a zippered pocket. We all know how it is with a duffel trying to get stuff out, so pockets are incredible. And then on either side here, there are water bottle holders or just little pockets with a snap. You could put a water bottle in there, you could put an umbrella in there. Again, organization is key with a bag, especially a larger bag like this. So what I want to do now is pack this bag and show you everything that it can hold. So let's go ahead and start by putting that laptop back in there again. If my personal item can't hold a laptop, I'm not going to use it. I'm really interested to see if my iPad will fit in this front pocket, even though it can fit in the laptop sleeve. Yeah, it totally can, so that's really cool. But let's put it in the laptop sleeve just to kind of give it the benefit of the doubt. I'm going to use some Monos compressible cubes to pack in here because you could totally use a personal item for your electronics on the plane, but we want to be able to pack it with clothes if we need to. Now, this does hold 22 liters of stuff, like I said, and I have 4 packing cubes right here. This one is the largest packing cube that Monos has, and it can definitely fit right in standing up if we wanted it to, and then maybe we could put this longer skinny one in as well. And you know what, I could even fit their smallest one in there too, and I still have a little bit of room. And of course, like I said, I have the laptop in there. If this is going to be your personal item for a plane, you're going to want a liquids bag that is TSA compliant, so we can go ahead and put that in there as well, and that's going to be great. It fits a lot. Let's put some other personal item essentials, you know, in here. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of put my portable charger in there, and let's put my passport in there. We can put that snapped in to the front right there. And then of course, I'm gonna travel with my phone, so we could just throw that in that pocket right there. And you guys, I could still fit so much more in there. Now, there is one thing I want to mention real quick before we end this video, because as soon as some of you guys heard that I was getting this bag, some people brought a couple of things to my attention that some people don't necessarily love. And the funny thing is, the thing I'm about to talk about isn't something that I would have really ever noticed, but a lot of other people are talking about it, that it kind of bothers them. So the lining on the inside here isn't like attached to the bag, if you will, and that's something that people complain about, because really I could reach in here and take this out. Now, not completely sure why it does that. Maybe to make it easier to clean, maybe to make it easier to, you know, get crumbs or something out. I think that that could actually be kind of cool for cleaning, but I do know that some people have complained about that as compared to some other duffels of competing brands, but it very easily just went right back into place. So like I said, it really doesn't bother me, but it does bother some people out there on the internet, and I feel like I definitely had to share that real quick, doing an honest review. So if that's gonna bug you, then sorry. Okay, so what did you guys think of the Monos Metro Duffel? I really like the blue color. I'm glad I chose the blue. Of course, the vegan leather is gorgeous. I really thought about getting this one in the tan or the ivory. You can't go wrong with any of them. They are all so beautiful. And like I said, it's really going to last a lifetime. Whether you're using this for road trips, for a weekend away, or whether you're using it as a personal item in addition to your carry-on to fly with. If you want to see anything else from Monos, I do have an entire Monos playlist. If you're interested in this bag, my code and link are down below so that you can get a discount on this and any other Monos product that you love and want to buy. I'll see you next time. Bye.